Welcome to this lesson on hidden six-figure career paths for reentry and fatherhood programs. I'm your instructor, Derek Collins. Today, we're going to talk about building a future that isn't defined by your past. We're moving beyond survival jobs and looking at real career paths. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to identify 10 uncommon career paths that lead to six figures and create a personal action plan to pursue one. Listen, I want to talk to the men coming home. I want to talk to the fathers rebuilding their lives. I need you to hear me clearly. I want to talk to the men who have a criminal background and feel like every door is closed. Your past may create barriers, but it doesn't cancel your future. The key is to stop chasing jobs designed to reject you and start looking at careers where skill, production, reliability, and ownership are what matter. Now, let's talk about the difference between finding a job and building a career. A job is about survival. A career is about building a future. There are four main routes to six figures: skilled labor, union overtime, commission sales, and business ownership. You grow into these by becoming valuable. A career path offers raises, leadership roles, and the chance to own the business. For men with a background, a career is where your past stops mattering. Number one, construction foreman or site supervisor. This is one of the most realistic paths for men coming home. Start as a laborer. Learn to read a tape measure. Be early. Stay off your phone. As you learn to manage people and timelines, that's where the money changes. When you move from using your hands to managing the results, you become a project manager. That is a six-figure role accessible to anyone with the drive. Number two, roofing sales or storm restoration sales. A lot of people think sales means begging. No, sales is communication and solving problems. Find a company that trains new reps. Learn how to prospect, handle objections, and explain value. In sales, you don't just hope money happens. You track your deals. If you are confident, coachable, and willing to hear the word no without quitting, sales is one of the fastest ways to reach a six-figure income. Number three, commercial flooring or epoxy flooring contractor. This is a hidden trade. Every warehouse, hospital, and school has floors that need maintenance. Start as a helper. Learn surface preparation and mixing materials. In this field, appearance is everything. A great floor sells itself to the next customer. You start with garages and small shops, then move into commercial jobs. You're not just selling labor, you're selling a complete transformation. Number four, asphalt cell coating and line striping contractor. Every shopping center and office building needs their lot repainted and sealed periodically. You can work for a pavement company first to learn the skill. The real money is in repeat maintenance contracts with property managers and churches. This is what I call shifting from hands to head. You start with manual labor to learn the trade, but your goal is to master the skill and the business side. This is a great reentry business because it's practical, local, and needed everywhere. It's a skill that easily turns into a thriving business. When you understand the materials, the timelines, and how to solve expensive problems, you become indispensable to the project. That is true career security. Number five, tree service or utility vegetation management. Tree work is hard, dangerous work, but clearing storm damage and power lines pays well. Start on the ground crew. Learn the chainsaws, ropes, and job site safety. Move up to climber or estimator. Owning the jobs is where the six figures come from. If you aren't afraid of hard work and want to build a real service business, this is a path that offers serious financial upside and stability. Number six, pile driver operator. Most people have never heard of this job. They drive wood or steel piles deep into the ground for bridges and piers. Start as an operator assistant. Learn heavy machinery, rigging, and construction safety. This is a specialized, valuable job that pays very well. Bridges, ports, and industrial sites are always being built. This isn't a common job, and that specialized knowledge is exactly why it pays so well. Number seven, boilermaker or industrial turnaround worker. Boilermakers work on tanks and pressure vessels in refineries and power plants. Learn welding and industrial safety. Industrial turnarounds involve long hours and hard conditions, but they also offer the chance to make strong money. This path is for the disciplined and safety-minded. If you're willing to travel to where the projects are, you can build a serious industrial career. Number 8, Industrial machinery mechanic or millwright. Factories and distribution centers depend on machines. When they break, money stops. Learn the basics: motors, hydraulics, and electrical troubleshooting. You don't master this by watching videos. You need to work around real machines. The more equipment you know how to fix, the more valuable you become. From maintenance-led to traveling millwright, the growth potential is huge. Number 9, mobile welding or field repair business. This is about bringing the service to the customer to fix trailers, gates, and machinery. Start with clean, strong welds and get certified. When a contractor's equipment breaks, they need someone who can show up on site and fix it fast. You're solving urgent problems. If you can show up and fix what's broken, you aren't just a welder. You're an essential business partner. Number 10, wholesale or manufacturing sales representative. You don't always need to work with your hands to make six figures. Pick an industry like construction or industrial supplies. Learn the product inside and out. The person who knows the product wins the customer's trust. If you can talk, listen, and solve problems, sales may be your path. This is where the six-figure potential becomes very real for many men. Every high-income path requires basic professional skills. You have to be dependable. Be early. Follow instructions. Passing drug screens is a must. Communicate professionally and be coachable. Learn from your mistakes. This is about personal responsibility and your role as a father and provider. Let's talk about the barriers. Background checks and probation schedules are real, but a record may be part of your story, not the end of it. Respond by being honest and prepared. Focus on the value you bring. You only need the right door to open, and sometimes you have to build that door. So, which path fits you? Do you like working with your hands? Are you comfortable with sales? Do you want to own your own business? Take a moment to consider your strengths and your current situation. Think about what you need now versus where you want to be in 5 years. Pick one career path. Identify the training you need and who you need to contact. Write down the first barrier you need to break through. What can you do in the next 7 days? The next 30? The next 90? Commit to the steps and stay consistent with the work. Six figures is not just about a job title. It's about becoming valuable, dependable, and prepared to build a better future for your family. A criminal background may limit some options, but it doesn't eliminate opportunity. With the right mindset and work ethic, you can succeed. Pick a path, get trained, show up, stay consistent, build your name, build your reputation, and build your family's legacy. For more guidance, check out my book, The Father's Guide to Six-Figure Trades. It's a resource designed to help you see real career options. Your journey to six figures starts today. I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep moving forward and lead your family with pride.